Hello guys, welcome back with another video. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to record your screen with a screen recorder. On an iPad. So all you will need is the App Store and something that you will need to download, which will help you to record this whole screen that I'm recording on. This might help you in the videos. Remember to like, share and subscribe to this video. That can really help us. And yeah, let's just jump right into the video. So all you need to do is on your iPad is to go to the App Store, and then you write screen recorder, enter. Then as you can see, there's lots of them. You can pick any, but it just depends on how big or what iPad you have. If you want to record your face, there's another one. Like for example, like go record on that one, like on my right hand side. But right now we're just going for the recorded screen recorder by DigiSet LLC. I'll leave that link down below in the comments. So first you will need to do is download it, obviously. Obviously I've downloaded it, so I'm going to open it up. Right now my broadcast is starting because I'm recording for you guys. And yeah, so that if you guys think this is a good app that can help, comment down below that, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this video. If this really helped, share it with your friends and family. And yeah, and I'll see you guys with another video. Peace.